Hey guys, Kelly here with Mindful Bodyworks. So today's do-it-yourself massage session, ooh, that's a mouthful, is gonna be for our sinuses. So it's springtime, pollen's going crazy outside. I find myself out a lot more than normal with our quarantine, our current quarantine. So this video is just going to show you how to massage your sinuses at home. So super easy. All you need is your fingertips. So for starters, you just want to do circles. So think circles, doesn't matter which way your circles go, as long as you're doing small circles. Now, anytime that something feels uncomfortable, a discomfort that's just too much, then you need to lighten up or maybe just don't massage that area. Okay, so we're going to start right here and we're going to be following the cheekbones. So we're going to be coming down just like this, and then we're going to be coming under the eye, over the eye, and then the forehead. So let's go ahead and get started. So these little circles are just following your cheekbone all the way down and around. I'm sure this is making great faces here. But don't worry about that. It's going to make you feel really good. And then you would do about 3 passes with this. And so that's 2. I'm going to skip the 3rd just so I can show you the next one, but you want to do 3 passes. I can already feel my sinuses opening up. The next one, you're just going to do little circles right around the eyes. Now, I'm not moving too much here. I'm just getting some circulation in. So you don't want to be pushing so much where you can't see straight. Okay? Then of course the temples, this always feels amazing. And then we want to go along the eyebrow. So little circles on the eyebrow. Now I suggest 3 passes of each one of these, but you can play with it and see what feels best for you. So just going right along your eyebrow. And then the forehead. So forehead, I like coming up and spreading it out like you're fanning out. This is also great for wrinkles. So it's a double whammy here. You get your sinuses massaged and you get the wrinkles on your forehead lessened. All right, so the next thing is just a pressure point. So right here where your eyebrow meets the bridge of your nose, there's these little pressure points. Now, if you've got sinuses going on, then you'll know exactly where those pressure points are as soon as you touch them. So you can either use your pointer fingers just like this, and the pressure is straight up, not in. So it's straight up, or I like my pointer fingers sometimes are a little tender when they get on there. So I like to use my thumbs so that I have a bigger area and I'm just pulling straight up. All right, so you would hold that about 10 to 15 seconds and you can do that 2 to 3 times if it feels comfortable. Now another thing, if you can stand it, if you don't have a sinus headache, you can just tap. So believe it or not, the vibration from tapotement or tapping can help to bring fresh circulation and kind of free up those sinuses. So you would go all around the cheeks and all around the forehead and the eyebrows, anywhere that it feels good. All right, so there you have it. Those are just a couple of easy ways to really help with your sinuses. Also using cold or heat can help as well. You can always put a cold wash rag just right over the eyes, and you can alternate with cold and warm. So if you could do a warm wash rag, really depends on what feels best for you and whether or not your sinuses are just kind of clogged or maybe you have a headache. So you can just kind of play with that. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you learned something new. Give it a shot. Make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that little bell button so you know when I post a new video.